Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel where we navigate the exciting journey of career opportunities and explore what it takes to succeed in today's dynamic and professional world. Today, I'll take you on an engaging, story filled exploration of a vibrant and rewarding role, the sales associate. By the end of this session, you'll not only understand what this role entails, but also gain clarity on whether this path aligns with your ambitions or not. Let's dive in. Imagine yourself as a connector, a bridge between a company's products or services and the needs of its customers. As a sales associate, your role is much more than selling. You solve problems, guide decisions, and build meaningful relationships. As a salesperson, your main responsibility is simple yet crucial: to sell. This could involve selling either products or services. When we talk about products, they might be physical items like gadgets, furniture, or clothing. On the other hand, products could also be software solutions like a productivity app or accounting software that helps businesses streamline their operations. Now, let's look at services. These are often support or offerings tied to the products you sell, whether provided directly by your company or through third party providers. For instance, after sales support for that smartphone or software upgrades for the app you sold. In essence, your role is about more than just selling, it's about connecting the right solutions to the right customers. Let's break this role down into 5 core responsibilities: customer interaction, sales and promotions, team collaboration, transaction management, customer feedback. Now, let's explore each of these responsibilities through relatable, real world scenarios. Customer interaction. Imagine this: a hesitant customer walks into a clothing store. As a sales associate, you greet them with a bright smile and say, "Hi, welcome. Can I help you find the perfect jacket today?" The customer responds, "I'm looking for a jacket, but not sure which one." You gently ask, "Is it for daily wear, formal occasion, or outdoor activities?" They say, "Outdoor activities." You follow up, "Do you need something lightweight for running, or a heavier one for colder weather?" By listening and understanding their needs, you guide them to the perfect choice. When they pick one, you smile and say, "Great pick. This jacket is built for durability and warmth, perfect for your adventures." It's not just about selling a jacket. It's about understanding, guiding, and making the customer feel confident in their decision. Sales and promotions. Sales is an art, especially during the festive season when the store is buzzing with excitement and energy. Promotions are in full swing, and customers are eager to find that perfect gift, or in this case, the perfect outfit. A young woman walks in, her eyes scanning the racks for a dress. You notice her hesitation, and with a friendly smile, you offer your assistance. Together, you find the perfect dress, a style that lights up her face. But you don't stop there. With a twinkle in your eye, you mention, "We have a special offer today. Pair this dress with an accessory, and you get 20% off." Her eyes brighten, and just like that, she picks a beautiful matching scarf to complete the look. Not only have you increased her purchase, but you've also enhanced her shopping experience. By offering a thoughtful promotion, you've added value for both her and the business. Because promotions aren't just about discounts, they're about making the experience memorable and giving customers a reason to smile. Sales is an art, and every interaction is a brushstroke of opportunity. Team collaboration. Sales isn't a solo journey. It's a collective effort where every person brings something unique to the table. Imagine it's a busy weekend and the store is buzzing with customers. But instead of feeling overwhelmed, you and your team work in perfect harmony. One colleague is at the billing counter, efficiently processing payments. Another is restocking shelves, making sure everything is in its place. And you're right there with customers, helping them find just what they're looking for. Together, You're not just handling the crowd, you're creating an experience. You're ensuring smooth operations, happy customers, and a sense of pride in what you do. Because collaboration isn't just about dividing tasks, it's about learning from each other, growing together, and celebrating each success as a team. When you work as one, the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. That's the power of teamwork. Transaction management. When a customer approaches the checkout, you can sense a little hesitation. They're ready to pay, but something about the digital payment process feels unfamiliar. Instead of rushing through, you take a moment to reassure them. No worries, let me guide you through it. With patience and a calm voice, you walk them through every step. You process their payment smoothly, making sure everything is crystal clear. Every click, every step, handled with care. And as they leave, there's a smile on their face. They feel confident, comfortable, and taken care of. It's not just about the transaction, it's about trust. By making sure the process is seamless and stress free, you turn a simple checkout into a positive, lasting experience. Because when customers feel supported, they'll always come back for more. Customer feedback. In the world of customer service, every interaction is an opportunity to listen, to grow, and to build trust. When a customer mentions a delay, it's easy to brush it off or offer a quick excuse. But what if you took a moment to truly hear them? You might say, "Thank you for letting us know. I'll share this with my manager so we can address it." By valuing their feedback, you show them that their voice matters. Instead of a complaint, it becomes a chance to improve. You've turned frustration into collaboration. And in doing so, you've built more than just customer satisfaction, you've built loyalty. Because when people feel heard, they know they're cared for. And that's how small moments create lasting connections. Career opportunities. Let me tell you a story. Priya, a fresh graduate, joined as a sales associate. She was passionate, eager to learn, and excellent with customers. Over time, her dedication led her to become a team leader, then a sales manager, and eventually the head of sales. This isn't just Priya's story, it could be yours. The skills you develop, communication, negotiation, problem solving, open doors to various career paths, from marketing to business development. Sales is a career that rewards effort, resilience, and passion. It's challenging but immensely fulfilling. If you love interacting with people, enjoy challenges, and thrive on achieving goals, this role could be your perfect fit. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Take that first step. Start small, embrace learning, and grow. As I always say, dream big, start small, but most importantly, start. Salaries for freshers in the sales domain. Let's talk about something that's on every fresh graduate's mind: salaries. Starting in the sales domain, your earnings might range between 15,000 rupee to 25,000 rupee per month, depending on the industry and the company. And here's the exciting part: this is just the base. Add commissions and incentives, and you'll see your income grow significantly. Imagine this: closing a big sale and earning an incentive that makes your month brighter. Sales rewards effort and success, directly reflecting your dedication and skills. Think of a young graduate, Arjun, who started at 18,000 rupees a month. With consistent effort and a knack for understanding customer needs, he started earning incentives that pushed his take-home pay beyond 30,000 rupees within a year. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the motivation that comes from knowing your hard work pays off. Sales opportunities across industries. The demand for sales associates is vast and spans across industries. Picture yourself in these exciting environments. Retail, helping customers find the perfect outfit or gadget. Technology, explaining innovative software solutions to businesses. Healthcare, guiding clinics in adopting the latest medical devices. Real estate, assisting families in finding their dream homes. Finance, connecting clients with valuable investment opportunities. The opportunities are endless. Imagine Megha, who started in retail as a sales associate. Within just 2 years, she transitioned into tech sales, using her skills to climb the career ladder. This diversity in sales means that if you're great at what you do, you're never limited to just one field. The world is your oyster. Embrace the journey. Role of artificial intelligence in sales. Now, let's delve into something futuristic yet very real: the role of artificial intelligence in sales. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's transforming the way we work. Let's see how has AI become an integral part of sales. Data analysis. Imagine having a tool that analyzes customer buying patterns and tells you exactly what they might need next. AI provides insights that make your approach smarter and more precise. For instance, predictive analytics can help you anticipate when a customer is likely to repurchase a product. Automation. Think about chatbots handling basic customer queries while you focus on building meaningful relationships. Automation frees up your time for tasks that require your personal touch. Personalization. Imagine suggesting the perfect product to a customer based on their preferences, as if you've known them for years. AI helps create personalized experiences, making customers feel valued and understood. Ideal candidates for a career in sales. Who should consider a career in sales? If you love connecting with people, thrive on challenges, and find joy in achieving goals, sales might be for you. Imagine Esha, a fresh graduate with a natural curiosity about others. She found her passion in sales, where her people skills shined. But sales isn't for everyone, and that's okay. If you prefer less interaction or struggle with rejection, it may not be your path. But let's shift our perspective. Every no in sales is just a stepping stone toward a yes. Think of Ramesh. He struggled at first but learned and grew from every experience. Eventually, he became a confident, successful sales manager. Sales is more than a career, it's a journey of growth, resilience, and endless opportunities. If this resonates with you, take that first step. Dream big, start small, but most importantly, start. The sales world is waiting for you. At Clogic Softtech, we believe every career journey deserves a strong start and a brighter future. Are you a fresh graduate ready to take your first step? Or an experienced professional looking for new challenges? We are here to guide you toward your goals. Our expertise lies in consulting and training, equipping you with the tools to excel in today's fast paced industries. With opportunities spanning India, the USA, and Canada, we specialize in connecting talent like yours to the right platforms. From personalized training programs to expert placement support, we ensure you're not just job ready but future ready. It's time to transform your aspirations into reality. Call us today at 91289843355454. Let's shape your future together. Clogic Softtech, your trusted partner in building careers that matter. Clogic Softtech, where talent meets opportunity.